Here we go on fucking. You ever been to the zombie apocalypse? Oh, here it is. Everybody's gone. There's nobody here. Dude, should we just go run up on this slide? No. I'm gonna. Oh.
Ain't no here. It might get.
Gotta go find impractical jokers. There's somebody's over there. Look, dude, this shit is a fucking ghost town. Look, you just hear one fucking bird squeaking at us. He's like, get the fuck out. There's zombies gonna be coming after your ass. Oh my god. I hope I don't get arrested. Oh!
We gotta come back and buy that tonight.
Alright. So, they ain't gonna be open tonight. That's the fucking fun house. There's like.
Mardi Gras, baby.
There's nobody here. I'm about to run through this bitch. I'm sorry. Fuck it. I'm sorry. I don't know how to get through this thing. Oh, fuck. Hello. Oh, shit. Yeah. Probably shouldn't be doing this right now. Oh, shit. There's a fucking wall right there. Oh, here we go. Come on. Wait. Oh my god. Here we go. Fuck. Yes. Oh, there's a wall. Go up the stairs. Oh my god, I'm probably gonna get fucking arrested for this. I'm so sorry, guys. Gotta go. Stay low. Going down the slide, cuz. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm fucking. Gotta go.
No. You think it's gonna get a lot of hits?
No, but probably get arrested.
That's what I'm saying. For the weekend.
I need some food though. So I see some.
They're opening up right now.
Nope, I'm going on this bitch right here. I'm gonna open it up myself. We're over here at the carnival. Early as fuck, actually. But I'm not gonna steal nothing. I'm just gonna go fuck around on this shit right here. Here we go. Fuck it. Fuck. We're gonna do it. Gotta go. Oh, I got a rope. God, I gotta climb a rope. Oh, shit. There it is. Oh, we got some fucking twisty bendies. We gotta get through. Oh my god. This thing's not aired up. I'm fucked. No. Gotta get higher. How do I get higher? I'm going that way anyway. Fuck it. Oh, this is not gonna be good. Oh, fuck. Oh, gotta squeeze out this bitch. Gotta go, baby. Woo-hoo. For a tube. Oh, fuck. Here we go. Shit. Oh, shit. Look at this view, baby. Oh, look. As you see, the new Subaru. That's mine. I gotta go. Gotta go. Oh, another fucking thing. Oh! Oh, fuck. Fuck your tickets, son. Woohoo! Gotta go. Hush. Bye. What, slow as fuck? Oh, shit, Lemur. Oh, shit. Woohoo! Now we gotta go. Get the fuck out of here. You want that one, eh?
Two.
Oh, you want a sword? Oh, we're gonna sword fight. Let me. Oh, let me blow mine up. Give us a sec. On guard. Here we go. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, right in the head. Drop the phone.
I'll be dead. Coronavirus having motherfucker.
Gesundheit.
Cover your goddamn mouth.
Cover your fucking mouth.
Coronavirus having motherfuckers.
Okay, hold on. Taquitos, I don't got taquitos. I want taquitos. Taquitos. Are we waiting for them to sell tickets? Are we just like, look? Oh, okay. Sorry. My bad. They better be selling tickets. Hello.
We're not open.
Not yet. Oh my lord. Well, thank you. What time are we at right now? Shit.
You got 20 minutes.
20 more minutes. God damn it. So, here we are. Just got back from the carnival. And that good old fart bomb. And we're gonna wait till good old Ma finishes her good old fry bread. Yes. Sorry, bro. But yes, it's gonna go down right now. I'm gonna throw her a fart bomb after she eats her fucking fry bread. I'll just get her. I hope, hopefully she's not inside. But we're gonna do wherever the fuck she's at, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Fart bomb. Fry bread. Put this in the pocket. Right.
AnnoDomination.com.
Yes. Hopefully she's locked it up in your pocket. Oh no. That would not be good. Where's she at? She's not in here. She's outside smoking a cigarette. Oh shit, she's not even out there. Wait, she's right there. What the fuck am I doing? Yep, with your good old puppy bad boy fry bread right here for you. That's your fry bread though.
Popping away.
Stupid ass. No, when I'm sitting
Better
here.
grab that fried bread, it's gonna reek.
Yeah, you better. Ugh.
Get the whole thing gone.
Shut up.
Oh god, it smells.
It's all right, bro. Don't let her eat it fried bread.